of money, right? So in this part we are going to learn about the story sum. Have you solved the story sums before? Yes, you have solved the story sums before in the chapter of addition, in the chapter of subtraction, in the multiplication also, okay, and as well as in the division also. So we are going to learn the story sums of money. If someone will give you the money, how much you have to give it back, or how much the total money you have earned. Like आपके पास कितने टोटल पैसे मिलते हैं, कितने आपने किसी को दिए, तो that total counting we will solve through this story sum. So let's start to solving the story sums. Students, I have written one story sum over here. Let's read it. Mary has rupees 20, Tara has 28 rupees, and Balu has 19 rupees. So you will do the underline of this numbers, and Balu has 19. Okay, so here we will start, right? How many amount Mary has? So we will write amount Mary has. As we are preparing the sentence over here, so Mary के पास कितने rupees हैं? 20. After that, what was the name of this child? Tara. So we will write here amount Tara has. Tara के पास कितने हैं? 28 rupees. And after that Balu has the amount Balu has. So कितने हैं उसके पास? 19. So after this we will solving the sum and we will put the sign of addition as we have asked. हमें ऐसे क्या पूछा? How much money do they have together? That means कि together उनके पास कितने amount होगा? So for that, whenever we are asking for the together, that means कि we have to do the addition over here. So what we will write here? So total amount they have. Okay, so for that we have to solve this. So 0 plus 8 plus 9. As we have counted in the addition, write bigger number is in your mind and the smaller number on your finger. So 9 is the bigger number that you can keep in your mind. And after that you have to start counting up to number 8. So like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So as we are writing 1 at the top of this number and we'll write 7 over here. 1 plus this 2, 3. 3 plus this 2, 5. And 5 plus this 1, 6. So your answer is 67. That means 67. The total amount they have, that is rupees 67. So this is the way you have to solve the story sums of money. Okay. So here I have written the second example of story sum. So Sona's mother gave her rupees 60. Sona की mother ने उसको कितने rupees दिए? Yes, rupees 60. She spent 44 rupees on a doll. उसने क्या उससे खरीदा? Doll खरीदे. But how many she spent? 44 rupees on a doll. So how much money left with her? तो उसके पास कितने rupees अभी left रहे होंगे? Left मतलब कि बाकी बचे, right? So whenever we are asking about the left money, left over the things, at that time we have to do the subtraction. Okay. So we will write the sentence over here. What was the sentence? Sona's mother gave her. So we will write amount Sona's mother gave. Sona की mother ने उसको कितना amount दिए थे? 60 rupees. So we will write 60 over here. And she spent. So amount she spent. उसने कितने रुपीस खर्च किए उसमें से? 44. So अब हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि how much money left? तो so left amount with her. So उसके पास कितना amount बचे होंगे? तो we will do the subtraction over here. Okay. So 60 minus 44, that means the 0 minus 4. Can you subtract 4 number from the 0? No. So what you will do? You will cut this number. Here you will write the before number and here you will write the 10 and from the 10 you have to subtract number 4. 10 में से 4 minus करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Yes, you can count as backward. Okay, so if you are counting backward like 9, 8, 7 and 6, 4 number you have counted back. So on which number you reach? Number 6. So your answer is 6 over here. Now 5 minus 4. From the 5 fingers you have to cut 4 fingers, so 1 will remain. So you can write 1 number over here. So how much amount left with Sona? So rupees 16 left with her. Okay, so here I have written the sentence. Okay, so this is completed our second example. Next example, Raja had rupees 100. How much 100 rupees is there? He bought a school bag. और उसने क्या खरीदा? School bag खरीदा. 4 rupees 80. He has purchased the bag that is cost of rupees 80. So how much money is left with him? तो उसके पास कितने पैसे अब रहे होंगे? So we will solve. As you have left with him, that means के subtractions will be there. So we will write the Raju had the amount. Raju had. Raju के पास कितने थे amount? 100. And he purchased the bag, school bag for rupees 80. क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? He bought school bag. यहाँ पे हम subtraction की sign करेंगे. Here we will write 80. Okay. So we will solve this sum. 0 minus 0, that gives you 0, and 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So cut this number and write the before number over here, and here we will write the 10. 10 minus 8, that gives you 2, and 0 you can write here. Okay. So how much money left with him? So the money left with him. कितने रुपीस उसके पास लेफ्ट यानी कि बचे? तो 20 रुपीस विल बी देयर विद हिम, यानी कि उसने जब 100 रुपीस लेकर गया था उसमें से 80 रुपीस का बैग उसने परचेज किया. सो उसके पास 20 रुपीस रिमेन है, दैट मींस के लेफ्ट है, बचे हैं उसके पास. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस. So here is the next and the last example. Rani has rupees 12. How much? 12 rupees are there, and Rekha has 28 rupees over there. So how much money do they have all together? Like, what you have to do, simple as that, you have to write the Rani's amount and after that Rekha's amount. So here we will write amount Rani has. रानी के पास कितने हैं? 12 rupees. So you will write number 12 over here. Next है Rekha. So you will write amount Rekha has. Rekha के पास कितने हैं? 28. Now as you can see, what we have asked, हमें क्या पूछा गया है? How much they have all together. That together, that means what you have to do in this? Yes, you have to do addition in this. Okay. So you can write here. First we will solve and after that we will write our answer. 2 plus 8. As we learned in the addition, 8 in your mind and the 2 on your finger. That means 9 and 10. So 10. 1 we will put at the top of this number and we will write 0 over here. Now 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4. So what is the amount they have together? Rupees 40. What we will write here? So amount they have all together. So हमारा total answer क्या आया? That is rupees 40. So now you will come to know how to solve the story sums of money. Is it easy? Yes, obviously easy because you know how to solve the story sum. But the difference is that the amount is different. यहाँ पे आपको numbers different दिए गए होंगे. That you have to just clear in your mind. Once you will learn the method of solving the story sums. एक बार अगर आपको method याद रहेगी कि आपको story sum कैसे solve करना है, then it will be easy to solve. So in this chapter you are clear about the money, when to use money, how to use it, and how to convert into rupees, how to convert into paisa, addition of money, subtraction of money, and at last story sums of money. So here we have completed our chapter number 3, that is money. I hope you all have understood all this concept. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.